Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see the solution for first subdivision in question 6 from exercise 5.2. Find the dy by dx when x power y power x is equal to a power b. So I'm going to take log on both sides. So taking log, this will reduce to log of x to the power y to the power x is equal to b log a. I'm going to expand this particular expression on the left side using logarithmic property. So this is log of x power y plus log of y power x is equal to b log a. Now, according to log property, log a power m is m log a. So this is y log x plus x log y is equal to b log a. Now that we have simplified everything in terms of logarithm, let's start differentiation. So differentiating with respect to x. So now this first term itself is a uv. So I'm going to take this as u, y as u and log x as v. So it is y into differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So it is y by x plus log x into differentiation of y is dy by dx. So I have only differentiated the first term. Now let's repeat the process here. So this is x by y dy by dx plus log y, because log x differentiation is 1 is equal to, now to the differentiation on the right side, b and log a, they all are constant. So on differentiating a right side, you will get the answer as 0. Now retain only the dy by dx terms in the left side and take the other terms to the right side. So it is going to be log x dy by dx plus x by y dy by dx is equal to minus y by x minus log x, minus log y. Now I'm taking the dy by dx term outside. So it is going to be log x plus x by y is equal to minus y minus x log y, the whole thing divided by x. I have taken an LCM. Now on the left side too, let's take the LCM. So dy by dx is equal to y log x plus x, this will be in brackets, the whole thing divided by y is equal to minus of y plus x log y, the whole thing divided by x. In the next step, I only need to take the value to the right side. So let's do that. So in this case, dy by dx is equal to minus y plus x log y, the whole thing divided by x, into y divided by y log x plus x. There is nothing that you can simplify, so I'm just writing it in a reorganized manner. So y into y plus x log y, the whole thing divided by x into y log x plus x. No other further simplification is possible. So this is the final answer of dy by dx. In the next video, we will see how to solve the second subdivision in this particular question. See you in the next video. Bye.